Welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to talk about line plots. Here in my x-axis, we are having different dates, and on the y-axis, we are having some prices. And we would like to plot a line plot in which we discuss different prices for different dates. In order to do that, first of all, we need to import the required libraries. Then we are creating a dictionary. And as we know, when we are having a dictionary in Python, we need to have the key value pair. Here, the date is my key and the close price is my value. So for this key, I have its corresponding value. And for this key, I have its corresponding value. For this key, I have its corresponding value, etc. until the end. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 keys and 5 corresponding values are available here. And we see that in the data dictionary, we are having therefore the date and the close price. After that, when we created this dictionary, we're going to convert this data dictionary into a data frame using the Pandas library. Why do we need to do that? It's simply because it allows easier operations and data transformation. So this is why we use the data frame. And then also because we are having the date here in our dictionary, they are stored as strings like text files. This is why we need to convert them. So in order to convert the text, this date column into a data time format, we need to use this line of code. So here, when we are, let's review it again. When we are having the dates in a dictionary, it will remain as a string, like in a text format. And when we are using the Matplotlib library, we require date-time format in order to plot the proper date-based access. For this reason, we use this to_datetime function to convert our date from a string date into a actual datetime object. Okay, so here we are doing this as well. Then we are simply having the size of our plot, and we are using the plot function to plot our line plot. We are having the date and the closing price. We are having the marker O. We can of course change it. We have the line style, it's solid. We have the color blue and the label, which is close price. Okay. Then we see the label legend also here. This is why we are having a label and then we use the legend to show it. We are having the x-axis label. We are having the y-axis label. We are having the title of this figure. And then in order to have a better readability, we are rotating the x-axis labels by 45% using this line. We are having the grid. As you see, we are having the gray lines that is my grid. We use the legend function to have this label here, and we use the show function to plot our figure and display it here in the output. So based on this code, we first of all learned how to have our data in a dictionary where we have the key value pair and how to convert our dictionary into a data frame. And also because we are using a date in a dictionary, it's a string and we need a date time based format for plotting. We learned how to convert that as well. Thank you for watching.